Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about Stub's customization. So why do we use Stub and run Stub command, customize controller and also customize model, okay? So why do we use Stub? For example, Stub in Laravel like let looks controller, okay? So let me generate one controller. PHP artisan makes controller. My controller name is user one controller. So let me check my controller, user one controller. So here is the customization in Stub. Okay, so Stub, why do we use Stub? When we running command for creating controller, we have the default or we have the some code are returned in this class, okay, this controller. So Stub, it means that we need to do customization for default for creating controller or migration file or model. Okay, so this is we need to customize. For example, every I run command for creating controller, I need one function called index like this. Okay, so I need to customize it in step, and then when we run it, automatically all of this coming. Okay, so let's go together how to do it. Okay, so let me so now let's run the step command. I go to terminal and I run step command php artisan step publish. That's fine. So now we're looking for step in our project. Let me look. Here is the step, and there's many files for you to customize it. Okay, so like for example, I want to customize every making controller. I have to create one function. So we want to customize controller. We need to go controller.blade.step. Click on it. So here is the default. You can see when you create the controller, all of these come by default. Okay, so now I want to create one function in step like function index, okay, and return hello, okay, or hello world, sorry, hello world. This is, and you save it. When you save it, and then now I start to create another controller. Okay, so php artisan makes controller. My controller name is user 2 controller. Okay, now let's look the controller user 2 controller. Okay, you can see he is coming by default. Okay, so now I want to customize for model. You can see you go to step and looking for model, you scroll it down. Where is model? Here is model.stub. Now every I create the model, I need to create the timestamp, for example. Okay, so I need to create timestamp publish time stamp Okay, false. That's right. Let me run command for creating models. PHP artisan makes model. My model is user 2. Okay, enter it. Let's look my models. User 2. Okay, you can see here is timestamp. Come here, public timestamp false. Okay, so you can do many things and customize, like especially for controller. In here you can customize for import the database class, or many things you can do it in step. Okay, so it make you to easy and fast create function in controller or model or migration file. Okay, so the question, it means that you can find how do we customize in many file in here. You can test and find it by yourself. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, so that's all for my presentation about step customization. Thank you for watching.